Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Indesit brand 7 kg washer and 5 kg dryer. That's mean washer and dryer. That machine having a problem with the error within few minutes while he selecting any option. Within few minutes it's showing F11 error is related with the drain pump. Otherwise drain issue, actually drain issue is not going water outside, otherwise this is blockage somewhere. Now we have to check where is the exactly problem, and we have to troubleshoot the problem, and we will check. Now I already given power connection. You can see here I'm selecting actually direct spin cycle 10 minutes, you can see here, and I will start the machine. Door already got locked. Now it's, you can see here indicator door lock. Machine should start now, direct spin. This drum rotating, that's mean motor start to work, machine start to work. Drum rotating. The RPM also increasing. At the same time it show F11 error message. Now the problem, what you think about this machine? This is 100% sure. It is problem with the drain issue. Drain pump not working, otherwise the communication error, that's mean it's through the main control to drain motor, drain pump. It's not power supplying, because of that only. Now we have to check. Now you know the problem is F11. Now we have to check. We are not able to do anything now. We cannot switch in off also. We cannot do anything. It is already hang up. We cannot select anything. It is showing continuously F11. Now we will check first drain pump. We have to little bit lay down the machine. After that we will remove the drain pump. Before removing we have to check the continuity and connection, harness assemble, everything, and we will go to the next step. So this cover here, it is all the lock, it will come like that. Here little bit corrosion also. Now we will remove the here drain pump cup. Here something maybe might inside block. It is look like no anything actually, and we can remove also. Here 2 screws are here. And it's easy job. It will come like that. Yeah, it's little bit water inside. You can see here, dear friends, it is somebody before repaired this one, and we will remove the harness here. Now we can check continuity. Now we can check here drain pump continuity. Yes, dear friend, it's not showing actually. It should show, but it's not showing. Now we have to change the drain pump, and we will check after that. It is sure 100% drain pump already gone. Because of that we have to replace the drain pump, and we will see. Now we can remove this pump here. Only the 2 screws are here. Now we can take like that. Now I having a new drain pump. This one and this one specifications are should be same. This one 240, 220, 240, 50 hertz. Also this one also same. And I can fix now for this, and we will try after fixing the drain pump. It should work actually. Now we can fix here. Now I already fixed a new pump. Now it should be seated properly, otherwise it will get leaked. Now I will give the power connection also here. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix here again. Now okay, now I have to close this cup also, and we will check after giving power. I will give the power connection. Again I will start the machine here. Also as same before, I am selecting here direct spin cycle 10 minutes, and door already got locked. We can hear the noise. This pump is working. Yes, my dear friends, that is a problem actually. Now we will wait until getting start machine. You can see here it is machine already got start, but before coming here 9 minutes is showing F11 error message. Now it's not possible to come again. Anyway, we will check what will happen to this machine. Now it's already decreased the time 1 minute. Now it's showing 9 minutes. Before it's coming to 9, it's showing F11 error message. Now it's not showing. Indesit and Whirlpool machine also Ariston, Indesit and Whirlpool same error message. F11 mean related with the drain pump. Now still not came error message. Now it came 2 minutes is decreased. That means now it's showing 8 minutes. Now RPM also increasing. Now our problem already got resolved. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.